Jacob All here. Got another quick tip for you. So, you want to install the little handle pins for the PackOut. Right? You got the rolling cart and you want to be able to pull a pin, pop this handle out to fit it in your truck. I'm going to show you how I did this on this side. I'm going to take the screws out. Then I am going to grab the force, which is a size under what we want to drill or tap. Then we're going to take our 1/4-20 tap. I'm just going to run it all the way in. In fact, I'm going to make sure I run it all the way in. Get the handle out. I suppose you could chuck the tap up in your drill and just set your clutch to the minimum setting, but this is that glass reinforced plastic, so you want to take it easy. Okay, so we're going to take our pin, and what I like to do is pop this off. And then I just use a small nut driver. Drive it in gently. Reattach the pull. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and drop this in, and you'll feel it hit the pin. Pull it down, go past, it locks in. Now this one has the Electron Smith's design little retainer. We're going to go ahead and put one on that side. I'll show you how to do that as well. So, if you buy the pins from us, we are going to include, one of the options is to get some of these little fancy slides, and what we'll do is we'll include a little piece of carpet tape. You can glue yours on as well, but basically position it on the back, okay, and then essentially what you're going to do is you're going to pull this thing out, right, and you're going to want room to be able to slide that out. So peel off your backing, pull this out some, engage it into the latch of the pin, push it down not too hard, make sure that you can pull it out of the way, make sure you can put it in the way. When you're good, push down nice and firm. Okay, so now pull your pins out, pull your other pins out, handle comes off. When you're ready, put it back in, slide your handle down, past, pull your pin, slide, pull your pin, slide, pull up. That's it. That's how you install the quick pins and Electron Smith's little slider mod. You can get these at store.jacoball.com. And a note, if you've watched the other videos and you know about this, you're looking for a keyword. If you haven't, go take a look at my Fez Tout Ammo Cam video. There's a giveaway in it for something nice, so check that video out. But the keyword that you're looking for is 1/4-20, because that's your tap size. I'm Jacob All. Pack out.